just before we complete this course, I got some bonus material for you. Some material that can actually make a difference and help you speed you up with your marketing plan. So go to my website, thedigitalentrepreneur.co.uk/marketing-resources, and you'll be able to download a template for building your persona. So that really will get the structure right for you to build a good persona of your target audience. And also there's a template to actually help you with your app release plan and how you can put your marketing information and activities on top of the app release plan, so you can actually determine when you're going to communicate to different users at different times, and also help you get your assets in order at the right time in the app's release cycle. So download them at my website, thedigitalentrepreneur.co.uk/marketing-resources.